Oh, YouTube, what is going on, man? Wow, I just sounded like a soprano there for a second.
Oh.
I know it's been a full month, maybe a little bit more than that since my last video. I apologize. I'm sorry, guys. It's been crazy. So much has happened since the last video. I believe it was the Seeker blue wide mirrors. If you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out. I want to update you guys on a couple things that's like happened, because like so much has happened. First, baby Ellis was born on Friday the 30th of August at 9:52 p.m. and he was a little bit over 7 pounds, man, and he is beautiful. Oh man, I'm blessed to have two beautiful, healthy children. Praise God. Lorenzo's excited, I'm excited, Lauren's excited, all of our families are excited. So it's good spirits, good vibes. September 3rd is national holiday. That's National Vicwavy Day. If you guys don't know, I just turned 30. You know, your boy's getting a little bit older, but you know, we're trying to maintain. I got a couple things for the Civic, you know what I mean? Like, you know, another exciting announcement. Your boy got accepted to the USDM Super Honda Meet, strictly Hondas. We're going to be in attendance, as well as a couple other homies, so I'll be vlogging it that day. I cannot wait for that, to show you guys some quality Hondas. Yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update, and now we will start the video. Let's go. Good morning, YouTube land. We are getting ready to go ahead and put on my front Mugen grill. For those that don't know, I'm not really a Mugen type of guy. Move this man! Like I like their stuff, but I'm more of a J's Racing fan. But when I saw this grill, I was like, you know what? It kind of like changed my whole mood on it. So, you know, if I don't like it, I can always go back to the OEM one, or I do have a J's Racing one that I have that I'll put some clips up. You guys can check it out. I think this Mugen grill will definitely set off the front end, and I'm actually pretty excited about it. I have seen some pictures of other cars, especially in Japan. One of the homies, Zosh, actually just got it all black, which is the move. So go ahead and take this front bumper off. We're gonna go ahead and install this, and yeah, let's get it going. Guys, so we got the OEM grill off, and now I just wanted to kind of just do a little quick comparison. For those that don't know, this is the stock Fd2 OEM front grill. Looks great, awesome, nothing wrong with it, but I kind of wanted to switch it up, try the Mugen. Let's go ahead and slap it on and see what it looked like. Well, just like that, the new grill is on, and let me tell you guys something. This actually looks really, really good. I'm super happy, and it flows with the carbon too, but I think I'm gonna paint match the bonnet. So I don't know, carbon with white looks good. I just think this flows so much better. Like the chrome kind of broke it up. Obviously that's what the OEM grill is for, but this black with the carbon, son. All right guys, well, I'm gonna clean up real quick, wipe the car down because it's like super dirty, and then I'll do a couple cinematic shots for you guys. Man, this came out amazing. Special thanks to John. John, if you're watching, man, thank you so much. He pretty much gave me a fair price on the grill, and shout out to Drew, my painter, as always. Like, the guy is amazing. So thank you, Drew. Thank you, John. And thank you, Zaf Japan, for the H badge. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm very excited for the Super USDM meet, which is coming up here next month. So definitely stay tuned for that video, guys. You do not want to miss that video. Also, if you guys like the content that I made today, hit that like button. It does help me out. It helps out the channel. It does. You know, it puts me out into the algorithm so that other people can see my channel and other people can appreciate it as well. This is Vicwavy, and I approve this message. I'm out. Peace.